Have you tried creating tables in AutoCAD? Many drawings contain a variety of schedules, parts lists, bills of materials, and price lists that require a table. While creating a table manually by copying and offsetting lines is not hard, you can save a lot of time by using the table command. A table is a compound object that contains information arranged in rows and columns. Similar to most spreadsheet applications, the rows and columns can be adjusted with grips, and styles can be assigned to the table and to selected cells. In this lesson, we're going to insert a table object and add some cell data. To insert a table, I can use the Table tool from the Annotation panel on the ribbon. I select the Table tool and a dialog box opens. I'm going to set the number of columns to 4 and the number of data rows to 7. I press OK. I select a point to place the table and then select a second point to specify the table width. I type in the necessary column headers for my parts list. I can use the Tab key to advance to the next column. I'm going to type item for the first column, part number for the second column, description for the third column, and quantity for the fourth column. To advance to the next row, I can press the Enter key. I fill in the item numbers starting at the top row and going down. I want to center the item numbers in the first column. To do that, I highlight the column and right-click. I select Alignment, Middle Center. I press Escape to release the selection. The item numbers adjust their position. I enter in the remaining information. I want to delete the last 2 rows of the table. I highlight those rows. To select both rows, I press the Shift key. I select Delete Rows from the ribbon. I adjust the alignment of the quantity column using the same method applied to the item column. I highlight the column and right-click. I select Alignment, Middle Center. I press Escape to release the selection. I want to insert a symbol from the character map into one of the cells. I select inside the cell. I select the drop-down list next to the @ symbol and select Other to launch the character map. I highlight the registered trademark symbol and choose the Select button. The symbol appears in the Characters to Copy area. I select the Copy button. I right-click inside the cell and select Paste. The special symbol has been placed. I want to insert a field into the table as well. I select the desired cell to activate. I select Insert Field. I select Hyperlink to use a hyperlink as a field. I select the Hyperlink button to define the hyperlink. I select the File button to browse for the desired file. I locate the PDF file I want to use for my spec sheet. I type Surge Protector Parts List in the Text to Display field. I press OK. I press OK to close. To turn off the shading behind the field, I type Field Display and set the value to 0. In this lesson, you learned how to insert a table, how to add text into a table cell, how to modify the alignment of text in a table, how to insert a symbol from a character map into a table, and how to insert a field using a hyperlink.